Hello and welcome to my video about Saturn, the Lord of the Solar Rings by Kevin Ward. Saturn is currently right here in the solar system as seen in this screenshot of the planets today. It's roughly 9.5 AUs away from the Sun. Next to Jupiter, Saturn has the second shortest day in our solar system, taking about 10.7 hours to spin around once. One Saturnian year equals 29.4 Earth years, or 10,756 Earth days to orbit the Sun. I couldn't see Saturn in the night sky, but I did take the screenshot of it under the horizon in the Sky Map app. So the rings of Saturn are thought to be made up of small chunks of icy, dusty bits of broken comets, asteroids, or shattered moon rocks. The icy particles can range from dust-sized to mostly house-sized, but can't even reach mountain-sized boulders. But the bigger ones are far and few between. There are at least, I call it, 8 known rings orbiting around Saturn, starting with the D ring, C ring, B ring, then the Cassini division, then A ring, F ring, G ring, and then E ring. But farther out is the faint Phoebe ring, which orbits with that moon. And they all orbit at different speeds around the planet. Saturn's interior is mostly made of the gases hydrogen and helium. At the center is a dense metal core, possibly of iron and nickel, then rocky material, then liquid metallic hydrogen, followed by normal liquid hydrogen, just a lot smaller than Jupiter's core. As for the atmosphere, it's a mix of yellow, brown, and gray swirling clouds that appear as stripes, jet streams, and storms. In fact, Saturn is the only place in our solar system that has a hexagonal storm at its north pole. Voyager 1 was the first to see it, but the Cassini spacecraft has more closely observed it since. I think the most interesting thing about Saturn isn't the many rings orbiting the planet, or the fact that it's a huge gas giant almost as big as Jupiter, or that as of June 2023, there are 146 moons in its orbit. No, I think it's the fact that at the North Pole on Saturn, there's a huge 30,000-kilometer across jet stream with a raging storm at its center. That is the most interesting thing about Saturn, in my honest opinion. And here are my references and another page. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.